Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to install ink cartridges in the HP DeskJet 2700e, 2752e, and 2710e. And don't worry, it's much easier than it looks. Let's jump right in. Before we touch anything, make sure your printer is turned on. This is really important because if the printer is off, the ink cartridge carriage won't move into position and you won't be able to access the cartridges at all. Alright, let's get started. Look at the front of your printer. You'll see a small slot or groove along the bottom edge of the front panel. Place your finger into that slot and gently pull down to open the front door. Once that's open, you'll notice there's a second inner door behind it. Do the same thing. Place your finger in the slot and pull it down as well. Once both doors are open, the ink cartridge carriage will automatically slide into the center of the printer. Just give it about 2 to 3 seconds to move into position. Now that the cartridges are right in front of you, here's the easiest way to remove them. Place your finger on the top of the cartridge and press down firmly. You're pushing down to release the locking clip. Once it unclips, the cartridge will pop loose on its own. Just let it fall into your hand. For the second cartridge, do the same thing. Press down on the top to release the clip, and this time you can slide it out gently so it doesn't drop. Go ahead and set the old cartridges aside. Now we're ready to install the new ones. Before you open the new cartridges, here's something important to know. The color cartridge, the one with the magenta pink top, goes in the left slot. The black ink cartridge goes in the right slot. It's clearly labeled, so you really can't mix them up. To install the color cartridge, take it with the magenta top, remove the protective orange cap and pull tab, and never touch the copper contacts or ink nozzles. Glide it into the left track at a slight angle, following the guide rails inside the slot. Once it's seated, place your thumb underneath and push up until you hear and feel a firm click. That means it's locked in. For the black cartridge, same process. Glide it into the right track, then push up with your thumb until it clicks securely into place. Both cartridges should now be snapped in firmly. Give each one a gentle tug just to make sure they're locked. Now it's time to close everything back up. Close the inner door first, then close the outer front door. Press gently until both click shut. The printer will now start its initialization process. You'll hear some sounds and see the cartridge carriage moving back and forth. That's completely normal. Give it about 30 to 60 seconds to complete. Once it goes quiet and the control panel shows ready, you are all set and ready to print. And that is how you install ink cartridges on the HP DeskJet 2700e, 2752e, and 2710e. I hope this video made the process nice and easy for you. If it helped, please give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment below if you have any questions, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss our next tutorial. And if you need additional help with your HP printer setup or Wi-Fi connection, don't worry, contact us. Our support team is ready to help you. Thanks for watching and happy printing.